Welcome to the in front of me OUKITEL K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change it, we should launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the wall display section, then click here to wallpapers, and we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also we can use the default wallpaper on our device. For example, let's use this one. Then just click here set wallpaper, and we want to change the lock screen. Just tap here once and that's it. Now let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our device. If you wanna just do that by the second way, that's not a problem also. Just hold for a while on your device screen and then click here to wallpapers. After that you just should select, for example, let's use the wallpaper just once, and let's just select one from this available or downloaded wallpapers. I just want to use this one. Click here to set wallpaper and select the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.